Are you also having problems with no internet on your CapCut app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I've had this bug for a really long time, but actually after just, I would say, 1 week ago, I was able to find one solution, and after that I have never gotten no internet problem on my CapCut again. So this is how I fixed it. Firstly, I just exited my CapCut app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just went into my settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. On this page, I just scrolled down and I clicked on general in here. Then I scrolled down in here again and I clicked on storage. And as you can see, it should now take you here. So just wait for all the apps in here to load. Then just scroll down and see if you can find CapCut in here and just click on it. And if you cannot find CapCut, by the way, just click on show all in here and then keep scrolling down. But here it is, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on CapCut. Then I'm going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Then I'm just going to wait and click on the blue button here once again. Now what I'm going to do, this is very simple. I'm just going to simply wait for my CapCut app to completely update to its latest version, because by doing this I'm actually going to make sure that I'm going to get the absolute latest update that CapCut right now have, and they will be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. So this right here actually fixed it completely for me. But if it's for some reason it's still not working for you even after you have updated your CapCut app, then there is one way you can actually try to fix this as well. Do like this, just swipe on your phone like this, like this, and then you're going to click on the airplane mode in the top left corner, as you can see. So just click on it, then disable it after about 5 seconds, I will say. The reason why you need to do this is because when you reconnect now, you might get a little bit better signal than before. Let's say that this is not a bug, it's actually your internet that is right now being really bad. So just do this, it will reconnect you and it will give you a little bit better signal. Sometimes it does this, so go back into your CapCut app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.